Okay, so this is a one-bedroom apartment. There is the living room here. Let's see the view. Okay, the view is of another hotel. It has a kitchen. Oh, okay. It's a small kitchen.
No, it's not.
Yeah, right here. Okay. So it's a smaller kitchen, so it's fully equipped with the appliances. It has the fridge, the hot plate, and the microwave. And the bedroom is right here. It has a view, it's carpeted, and a TV with a washroom. Yes, a washroom or a bathroom. Sorry? And a walk-in. It's a walk-in shower. Can I see the view? Oh, there's a closet that I missed. So here's the closet. And the view of the room is also of the other hotel. Okay.